Mobile RV Repair Service Atlanta, Augusta, and Macon Georgia MotorHome Coach Technician Expert. Mobile RV Repair Atlanta, Augusta, and Macon Georgia MotorHome Coach Mechanic Service Shop near me. Call 404-476-6200. Come or travel to you at home, job, office, business. Any local parking lot to fix your camper recreational vehicles on site. Here are the top cities we cover as mobile RV repair service nearby, like Atlanta, Augusta, Macon, Marietta, Sandy Springs, Duluth, Decatur, Lawrenceville, Warner Robins, Georgia.
Hours of operation: service shop on wheels. Mobile RV Repair Mechanic Atlanta, Augusta, and Macon, Georgia. Hours of operation: campground are open 24 hours emergency and 7 days a week. Include weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and holiday sometimes, but charges might be different than regular hours and sometime. Let Mobile Mechanic Technician Expert come to you to repair your RV, motorhome, camper, coach recreational in Atlanta, Augusta, and Macon, Georgia near you by calling 404-476-6200 for faster service.
Remember, let a local mobile auto mechanic garage shop on wheels help you save time and money by going to CarHelpOut.com/location for a local mobile mechanic car repair service near you. CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.